Hello, everyone. Today's presentation is a comprehensive guide on how to use Claude, an AI model developed by Anthropic. We'll be exploring its features, capabilities, and best practices to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. First, let's understand the different models available. There are three main versions of Claude, each offering a different balance of intelligence and cost. Claude Haiku is the fastest and most affordable option. It's optimized for speed and is best for simple, quick tasks or high-volume routine interactions. Claude Sonnet offers a balance of performance and capability. It provides a good mix of intelligence and speed, making it versatile for a wide range of everyday applications, including content creation and analysis. Claude Opus is the most powerful and capable model. It has the highest level of intelligence and reasoning, making it the best choice for complex, nuanced tasks, especially in areas like advanced coding and technical work. As you can see from the chart, as the intelligence and benchmark scores increase from Haiku to Sonnet to Opus, the cost per million tokens also increases. Now let's talk about how to interact with Claude effectively. The key is in your prompting. To structure your prompts well, be specific and clear about what you want. Provide context and background information, and for complex requests, break them down into smaller parts. Using formatting like bullet points can also improve clarity. For example, instead of a vague request, you could say, I need to write a marketing email about our new CRM software. The target audience is small business owners, and the product costs $29 a month. Please include a catchy subject line and a clear call to action. For best results, use an iterative process. Start with a general request and then refine it based on Claude's responses. Provide feedback and ask follow-up questions to explore topics more deeply. If a response isn't quite right, you can simply say, I'd like you to try again. It's also important to maintain context by referencing previous messages and using clear transitions when you switch topics. One of Claude's powerful features is its ability to analyze and process documents. You can upload various file types, including PDFs, CSVs, text files, JSON, and even images. The bar chart shows that PDFs are the most frequently used file type, followed by CSVs and images. To upload a document, you just click the paperclip icon in the chat interface, select your file, and wait for Claude to process it. Once it's ready, you can ask specific questions about the document's content. Claude's analysis capabilities are extensive. It can extract key information and summarize long documents, analyze data from CSV files, interpret charts and graphs from images, and even convert unstructured text into structured formats. For the best analysis, be sure to ask specific questions and provide context. For developers, Claude is an incredibly useful coding assistant. It excels at code generation, debugging, optimization, and documentation, as shown in the effectiveness chart. You can generate code in multiple programming languages simply by describing what you need in natural language. Claude can create entire functions, classes, or applications. It can also analyze complex code snippets, explain them in simple terms, identify bugs, and suggest improvements. To get the best results when coding, be very specific in your prompts. Mention the programming language, any libraries or frameworks you're using, and provide clear requirements. A good example prompt would be, write a Python function that calculates the Fibonacci sequence up to n terms. Use recursion with memoization for efficiency. Include doc strings and comments explaining the approach. A unique feature of Claude is artifacts. These are self-contained, interactive outputs that appear in a dedicated window next to your conversation. This allows you to create and edit complex content in real time. Common artifact types include code snippets with syntax highlighting, interactive web applications and games, formatted documents, and data visualizations. To use artifacts effectively, be specific about the output format and functionality you desire. You can use the edit feature to refine artifacts iteratively. These artifacts can also be saved and shared, making them great for collaboration. A breakthrough new feature, currently in beta for Cloud 3.5 Sonnet and above, is called computer use. This allows Cloud to interact directly with a computer's graphical user interface. It can take screenshots to analyze visual information, move the cursor, click on buttons, and type text. This opens a world of possibilities for workflow automation, like data entry and form filling. It can also be used for software navigation, where Cloud can guide a user through a complex application by demonstrating the steps, or for web interactions, like searching for information and extracting data. For example, a developer could direct Cloud to open a web app, fill in a form with test data, and submit it to verify the results. So, what are the common ways people are using Claude? The adoption rates show high usage across several categories. As a personal assistant, it's used for calendar management, drafting emails, and planning travel. For content creation, it helps with writing blog posts, generating social media content, and creating marketing copy. In research and analysis, it's used for summarizing documents, interpreting data, and conducting market research. And in development, it's a key tool for code generation, debugging, and writing technical documentation. To really maximize Claude's potential, let's revisit some key prompting strategies. The quality of the response is directly impacted by the quality of your prompt. As the radar chart shows, providing specific instructions, context, and clear examples leads to much better outcomes. Be specific, provide background information, and use formatting to structure your prompts. It's also helpful to set expectations by specifying the desired output format, length, and tone. A great pro tip is the persona technique. Ask Cloud to adopt a specific role. For example, you could say, as an experienced data scientist, explain how to interpret these results. This helps frame the response in the right context and perspective. In conclusion, Claude is a versatile and powerful AI assistant. Its key benefits include its versatility for a wide range of tasks, its multimodal capabilities with text and images, and its advanced features like artifacts and computer use. It's designed to be user-friendly, safe, and accurate. Looking ahead, we can expect continued improvements in Claude's reasoning abilities, expanded integration with external tools, and the development of specialized versions for specific industries. The goal is to create an AI assistant that is not just powerful, but also aligned with human values and needs. Thank you.